Rock sugar can be produced from refined syrup, an intermediate product in the refining workshop of a sugar refining factory, or from white granulated sugar through processes such as redissolution, purification, and recrystallization. It comes in various colors including white, slightly yellow, slightly red, and deep red, and crystallizes like ice. Rock sugar processing equipment mainly includes two types: single crystal rock sugar production lines and polycrystalline rock sugar equipment. Types of rock sugar processing equipment: polycrystalline single crystal rock sugar equipment. It adopts vacuum crystallization tank directional crystallization process with sucrose purity 大于等于 99.8%, including sugar melting system, temperature control device and other modules. Dissolve white granulated sugar in an appropriate amount of water by heating. Filter it and then input it into a crystallization tank to make the sugar solution supersaturated. Add crystal seeds for crystal cultivation. When the crystal grains grow large, take them out for honey removal and centrifugal drying. After ventilation and drying, sieve them, sort them into grades and package them for delivery.